Position a sturdy box or elevated surface directly under a pull-up bar, ensuring it's stable and secure. The surface height should allow you to comfortably grip the bar while standing upright on the box. Grip the bar with both hands, shoulder width or slightly wider, with your palms facing away in an overhand grip. Lower yourself into a squat so your arms are fully extended and most of your body weight is supported by your hands, not your legs. Pull your shoulders down and back to engage your lats and stabilize your shoulder blades. This is your starting position. Keeping your feet lightly on the platform for assistance, pull your chest towards the bar by driving your elbows down and back. Pause briefly at the top of the movement when your chin clears the bar. Slowly lower yourself back to the starting position with control, maintaining tension in your upper body. This is 1 rep. At first, you may rely more on your legs for assistance, but with consistent practice, your upper body strength will improve, helping you progress towards an unassisted pull-up. Perform for the prescribed number of reps or duration of time. Feet-supported pull-ups are an excellent progression exercise for building the strength and coordination required for an unassisted pull-up. As always, we do not want to push past any pain, and remember to breathe.